Hello, everyone. If you're here for the first time, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you about that. And then you quickly rush and go and watch to help yourself. Thank you. Today, we're going to continue with our tutorial and on how to compute student results using Microsoft Excel. And today, we are going to look at how to what we're going to be looking at is how to create the cumulative sheet. When I say the cumulative sheet, I'm talking about that particular sheet where you take or you took all the total score of each subject, then you find the total, you find the position in the class, you find the average in the class, you find the grade, you find the remark. This is what we're going to do. In our last class, I was able to to show you how to edit or how this CA sheet works when you really reflect the names of the on the CA sheet with the first names. That is to say, let me just try something. Let's say this Blessing Albert has a third name. Let's say Paul. Let's say third name Paul. Instead of me to write Paul here, to edit Blessing here in the maths CA sheet, I will only come to the English subject, double click on that particular cell, then space, type Paul. Type Paul. As I press enter, the Blessing Albert under the math CA test will be updated. So also for the other subject, you see Blessing Albert Paul, Blessing Albert Paul. So that's the importance of relating the names. So today, before we look at the CA sheet, what we're going to be doing is we need to count how many columns we need. How many columns we need so that we'll match that particular cells. Now let's count from here. We need a serial number, a name, English, the subject up to 13, then the total, the average, the position, the grade, the remark, the comment. Now you see what we mean by that. We need 18 columns, 18 columns. So what you need to do now is you leave or you skip 2 columns, then you start counting from CM. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. From CM to DD is a 14 column. Now you click on your merge and center. Remember to type the name of your school. Now, what you know what I mean with merge and center now? It has become one single cell. Type the name of your school, Basi International School, Gombe. Now, what you need to type next is you need to type the class and then you type the session. Now, select the second row up to from CM to DD again. You click on Merge and Center and then you type. This is not the only way you can do that, but I'm just using this method because for me, this is the only method you people can understand easily. So I will type the class primary 3, primary 3 cumulative cumulative sheet for 2022/2023 academic session. I think this one is done. Then the third one, I don't need to type anything. Maybe if I will add anything, maybe it should be my name, so that whenever I'm submitting it, the head teacher will know that it is from my class and I'm the form master of the class. So the third row, we're going to select to DD. Click on merge and center, then I'll type my name, Samson Albert. There are better ways you can do this to explain, but I'm just using this because I'm just fast. The header could be anything you feel like. You select the header, you click on the B sign under the font ribbon from the home tab to bold it. Then the next thing you need to start typing now is the heading of the column. First, we need the serial number. Second, we need what? Name. We need English language. Type it in full. English language. Next, you need mathematics. Mathematics. Don't worry about that. Just be press the right arrow key, from on your laptop to move to the next cell. Make sure you move to the next cell. Don't worry about the right up overlapping to the other column. Please don't worry about that one. As long as you move to the other cell, just continue typing. Maths, we need verbal reasoning. Next will be quantitative reasoning. Next will be agricultural religious studies. Next, after typing the subject, then the next thing you are going to type the total. That is the overall total score of the student. Next should be average. Next should be position. Next, grade. Next, remark. Next, comment. Then next. So what you're going to do next at this particular point in time is, first, you need a serial number of 10 students. Don't worry about this overlapping, please. You need a serial number first. You type 1, press the down arrow key, 2, 3, and press enter. Select the whole of the 3 numbers that you wrote. Come to the right bottom edge of your cells that you have selected, the range of cells you've selected. You see a black tiny or small square. You go there with your mouse. The mouse pointer will change to this particular sign. Click, hold, and drag up to 10 to auto number. This one is auto numbering. Then the next thing, in the name, instead of you to type the names again up to 10, what you're going to do now is just reflect it with the ones in the English subject, so that, and if you change anything, it will affect throughout from the CA sheet to the cumulative sheet. So what is the cell address? Is B5. Then you come here. The cell address is B5. You click on the first serial number. You type equals to P5 and press enter. You see Biliamin Abubakar. Click the cell, the particular cell, or maybe you fit it first. Fit the write-up that is in there. Then you add the same thing with what you did from the serial number. Click on this particular square, drag through, then it will update with the name. So I love double clicking. If I double click it, you just fit. You can use this method. So these ones, instead of you to leave the subject from English to religious studies, I will just select them and change and do what? I will change their text direction. How? This is how I will change their text direction. But for you to change the text direction of this particular subject, now, on the home tab, under alignment ribbon, you see AB, small letter A and B, orientation. You click that particular arrow. There are so many orientations there. I will use this one, straight up. I'll just use this one. Now you see it's straight up. Now I'll just pick the right up. I'll just double click from the column header, double click, so that I will have enough space to do whatever I like. Now you see I'm just fitting the write-up. I need to do this. Now I fit the write-up. The next thing you're going to do is you select the whole table and then you insert border. Now on the home tab, under font ribbon, you will see this particular icon. Click on this drop down arrow, select all borders. Now you can see your border now. So what remains now is for you to relate your total of each particular subject, and this will be done in my next video. Please, if this video is very interesting, you find this video very interesting, you can do good by liking this video. This is how you share this video to the YouTube community. Thank you so much for staying up. Be anticipating for my next video till we meet in my next. Bye bye. Thank you.